Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn whether or not it's possible to change your Fiverr username. So if you already have a username on Fiverr, you go to fiverr.com, log into your account, tap the three-line menu, and then tap on your profile icon, which shows the username you want to change. So how do you do it? Well, according to the Fiverr Help Center, and this is stated by Fiverr themselves, users cannot change their username because it represents a unique identity on the platform. To use a different username, users must close their current account and create a new one. So right now, you cannot change your username directly. The only option is to delete your existing account and create a new one with the username you want. Unfortunately, that's the situation for now. Hope this video helped you understand the answer. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.